Welcome to SpeedTalk Mobile's How-To series. How to insert your SIM card. Before inserting your SIM card, make sure you've activated your plan at SpeedTalkMobile.com and powered off your device. Before you get started, you'll need a SIM card tool or a paperclip and your new SIM card from SpeedTalk Mobile. First, power off your device if you haven't already done so. On the side of your device, there's going to be a small hole. Insert the SIM card tool or paperclip into that small hole to eject the SIM card tray. Put your new SIM card into that tray and then reinsert it back into your device. After it's inserted, you can power on your device. Method 2. Start by making sure your device is powered off. First, remove the back cover of your device. Then remove your battery. Next, insert your SIM card into the SIM card slot in the back of your device. Then replace your battery and the back cover. Now you can power on your device. Congratulations! Your new SIM card is now in place. Be sure to check out the other videos in our How-To series to get more helpful information on your SpeedTalk Mobile service. Thank you for watching.